saying? I go with the band called DJ Chimney, man. And I told y'all on my second channel I was gonna be trying to moderate my car, my 2006 Impala, bro. Try to bring it up to a 2007, 2008. We ain't in no garage or nothing like that, but hey,
we out here in the ghetto.
So the first thing I'm gonna try to work on is, well, you see now my headlights. You feel me? I'm working on my headlights. They are white, but I did order some black smoky ones.
Pick it up.
My clothes. Oh, I'm about to say my clothes. My own color for the car I'm trying to make is try to change it black and blue. You
So
feel
this
me?
is the before.
So I'm gonna definitely change the bumper or try to get it I'm gonna try to change this because it got a hole in it. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna order something. I probably ain't gonna change it myself, but goddamn. But you see, got that VS in that motherfucker, man. You already know. The inside brown, I really don't like that but it's straight. We're gonna put a lot of black shit in there. We're gonna change the wood grain to black wood grain in the inside also.
Got a lot of shit coming. All right, let's put this headlight in.
Okay.
BRB, y'all.
These are the black smoked out headlights that I had ordered. Yeah, you can see the color, and that shit look dirty as hell.
Nice.
So they brand new. Heck yeah.
All right. Now we're just switching out the light bulbs from the old one to the new one.
It's on there.
All right, I'll put it in.
Alright. Now I'm finna put this motherfucker in there, man. Had to connect it. Alright. One tap on like
Oh, that is nice. I like that. Oh, yeah. Wow. One more to go. Push it. Don't be scared to push it, he said. You ain't gonna break it. Just push it.
hell no, hell.
He said just push it with the palm of your hand. There you go. You don't know he's not here.
No, I didn't.
Oh, yes, you did.
I was looking at that, but I was like, I ain't put it right there. I said it right there.
Nah, buddy.
See, you can look right here. See that little part right here.
Oh, damn.
That one, though, so I'm straight because they got that little thing.
That tail, so it's safe for
execute.
So it was one. One got one, the other don't got it. Whatever.
That's why I was trying to. I forgot to grab it when we was at AutoZone.
We got some progress, y'all. We got both lights on. Type shit. I think the middle one. I could be tripping. Oh, y'all, we had a little mishaps. We forgot to put a light bulb in, but that's okay. We ain't got to take the whole thing apart. You just gonna slide it on loose. Everything in.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Wanna get that?
Yeah, yeah. Are you doing this one?
Yeah.
It's on bones. Oh wait, do it again. My bad. I may be looking at something else. I don't say nothing.
You don't see nothing on this one?
No.
I would like to introduce